Public health investigators are trying to figure out what could be making some elementary school kids sick.
Yeah, Crestview Heights School in Waldport closed today after a noxious odor was reported at the school for the third time this month. Amy Frazier went to investigate and has more in this health alert.
According to the Lincoln County School District, 14 kids and their worried parents went to the ER yesterday. The students were tested and some of them came back with elevated levels of carbon monoxide. According to the school district, a diesel boiler misfired at Crestview Heights School back in January, sending smoke into the school. After that, carbon monoxide detectors were installed as a precaution. Then, 3 times in April, as recently as Tuesday, students in the 5th and 6th grade wing have reported a diesel or gas smell. Each time, district leaders say students were evacuated to a different area. They say the fire chief and other agencies have tested for carbon monoxide, but haven't found any. The district has now decided to shut off the boiler for several weeks to see if that makes a difference.
It's very worrisome. I mean, I believe the school is trying to do their best, but I mean, I don't want to send my kid back to school as a lab rat to see like the boilers turned off. Now let's see if everything's safe.
Amanda Shelton says her daughter has been lightheaded and having headaches. She had her tested at the hospital yesterday and says she came back with elevated levels of carbon monoxide. The family is so worried they've started looking into private schools. Right now, the plan is to reopen the school tomorrow. We'll keep you posted as the investigation continues. Reporting in Waldport, Amy Frazier, KOIN 6 News.